I can't tell you how pissed off I'm lucky that WhatsApp was not working yesterday. I would have been ranting for like 2 hours. ये Bravo है किधर? It was as if some alien ship came and took Bravo away from Earth.
I think of the 13 IPLs, 9 IPLs have been, the final qualifier has been decided by the last game. So this is going to be the 10th one.
Like I was saying, Mandar, anything can happen in IPL.
अगर आप भी है फैंटेसी क्रिकेट के फैंस तो आइए हमारे साथ और खेलिए सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी और जीतिए 50,000 तक के प्राइजेस. For more details, log on to spk.crickbattle.com and you can also catch this as a podcast on Studio Scoops Official. दोस्तों, we have seen some outstanding performances in this year's T20 League. उन परफॉर्मेंसेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम चुनने वाले हैं 5 खिलाड़ी who deserve a spot in India's T20 World Cup squad. However, आइए नजर डालते हैं अभी तक के इंडियन T20 लीग के टेबल पर और बात करते हैं आने वाली कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट मैचेस के बारे में. मुंबई वर्सेस हैदराबाद. क्या हैदराबाद मुंबई को प्लेऑफ में क्वालिफाई करने से रोक सकती है?
SRH अपसेट नो वन दिस ईयर. मतलब वो खुद ही इतने अपसेट है ना अंदर अंदर. वार्नर दूसरे किसी से अपसेट है. हर कोई हर किसी से अपसेट है SRH में.
I think if you're Rajasthan, Punjab or even Kolkata, you are just praying that Sunrisers Hyderabad do some miracle against Mumbai.
The stars are not aligned in that direction for this particular season, if you ask me. मुंबई के लिए तो केक वॉक होना चाहिए.
RCB वर्सेस DC. क्या दिल्ली बैंगलोर को टॉप 2 में एंट्री करने से रोक सकती है?
I don't see RCB winning the IPL for the same reason that RCB won't be beating DC.
Rabada, Norgay, Avesh Khan is doing so well. Akshar Patel आके मैन ऑफ द मैच ले जाता है.
क्वालिफाई कर रहा है वही फेरी टेल है उनके लिए. मतलब टॉप 2 में क्वालिफाई करेंगे तो पागल ही हो जाएंगे. अरे मतलब भाई तू 9 साल से उस टीम कैप्टन कर रहा है, एक बार भी कप नहीं जीता. ये एग्रेशन फाइनल के लिए बचा के रखो यार. यहाँ मत दिखाओ, वो कहीं और यूज करो.
If you ask me, there's one team that's identified the formula to win in Dubai. It's DC.
DC का 5 बॉलरों का जो बॉलिंग अटैक है ना, उसमें से यू कैन नॉट चूज अ सिंगल बॉलर कि मैं इसको मार लूंगा.
Yeah, their form has been great, and what I've been listening from other players are also hedging their bets over RCB. So yes, I like to go with RCB, but again, anything can happen.
KKR वर्सेस RR. क्या राजस्थान कोलकाता के अरमानों पे पानी फेर सकता है? Let's find out.
It's more about Kolkata self-destructing for Mumbai.
If KKR win, KKR qualifies because they've got a much better run rate than Mumbai. Because KKR is so unpredictable. Kabhi they are the best team in IPL, and someday they have no idea who is batting where.
KKR actually has some of the strongest magic spinners in Varun Chakrabarti and Sunil Narayan.
This is the golden opportunity for RR to defeat KKR in last match and take that revenge. And they can definitely do it.
This is the third time, a third season in a row where they just have to win one game, not screw things up, and maintain their run rate, and they can go through.
A fit Andre Russell is like an oxymoron. But I mean, if you have a half fit Andre Russell and you have a Lockie Ferguson coming back, I think that adds a lot of bite into their lineup.
Yeah, honestly, I've always been a Rajasthan Royal fan and an optimist. I will still put my bets on Rajasthan Royal.
So,
fingers crossed.
इंडियन T20 लीग के प्लेऑफ शुरू होने वाले हैं. तो दूसरी तरफ सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी के टाइटल के लिए भी मुकाबला गरमाया हुआ है बिटवीन आनंद एंड उदय भान. इसके बारे में और भी चर्चा करेंगे, लेकिन राइट नाउ इट इज टाइम फॉर सम जुमलों की मुक्केबाजी एज वी ट्राई एंड फाइंड आउट ऐसे वो कौन से 5 प्लेयर्स हैं हु डिजर्व अ स्पॉट इन इंडियाज T20 स्क्वाड.
Firstly, I would like to give a shout out to my star man from KKR, Mr. Venkatesh Iyer. I think he should easily replace Hardik Pandya in the squad.
The bowling is very flimsy at the moment. I think Yuzvendra Chahal has really proved himself after being dropped. He's probably taken his selection, his non-selection to heart and kind of really performed well. Ravi Bishnoi, these two spinners, in my opinion, should be playing along with Jadeja for the World Cup.
You have my star man again, Harshal Patel. who is the purple cap owner right now, and deservedly so. We also have Avesh Khan, who's been doing really well in both the phases. So he could also replace a Bhuvneshwar. And in terms of spinners, we also have Ravi Bishnoi.
I think number one is Yuzvendra Chahal because one, he's experienced. Second, I think he's been the best bowler in this UAE leg.
I would say instead of an Ishan Kishan, we could have a Sanju Samson also. Again, someone who's been batting really well throughout the entire tournament. Of course, he's going to be a backup keeper because Rishabh Pant is going to be in the playing 11. But having said that, if anyone deserves a spot basis recent form, it has to be Samson.
Correct.
If I see Samson playing for India, he needs to open or come at 3. I can't see him playing at 4 or 5. I don't think that's his role.
You always want Shikhar Dhawan in an ICC tournament, so that is the
Yeah,
bonus.
he's a big game player, right?
Yeah, he's a big game player. He's a big tournament player also.
I think Shikhar should play, and Shikhar should open the innings with Rohit. Means that one pick I would rather pick, and I will not get KL Rahul out of the team. Let KL come at number 5, which he has done in the past. Yuzvendra Chahal को team में न लेना, select नहीं करना, it was I think a blunder.
I think, if you're talking about replacement, you need to replace the positions that are weak. Now you can't pick openers like Ruturaj Gaikwad and Devdutt Padikkal because there's no spot for them. KL Rahul and Rohit Sharma have firmly sealed that spot.
यशवंत चुपचाप बैठा नोट्स बना रहा है लगता है वो। यशवंत कौन?
In the current squad, we assume that Bhuvneshwar Kumar is going to be the person who will assist Bumrah to kind of close out the last 4 overs, and which is why I think our death bowling is kind of weak. For which I would nominate actually Shardul Thakur. As much as Kohli wants to back Harshal Patel, even I want to back him, but take him into the nets. Make Indian batsmen prepare against a Dwayne Bravo bowling, or a Jimmy Neesham bowling, or a Lockie Ferguson bowling. That will help. Not him bowling for India.
Last season Rahul Tewatia played very well, so everyone was saying कि नहीं Rahul Tewatia टीम में होना चाहिए. This year मतलब जो भी जिस सीजन जो अच्छा करते हैं, we all started picking that नहीं ये प्लेयर टीम में होना चाहिए, वो प्लेयर टीम में होना चाहिए. One season doesn't decide your fate in Indian team. Call everyone to see every match. मतलब ग्राउंड पे अगर पेस बॉलर इंजर्ड हुआ तो 5 खड़े हैं पीछे कि हमको लो.
सारे डबल वैक्सीनेटेड सबको बॉक्स में डाल दो वहां पे.
हमारे सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी के खिलाड़ी आर ए रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ क्रिकेट फैंस. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि बीसीसीआई टेक्स अ नोटिस ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ फैन टॉक एंड मेक द नेसेसरी चेंजेस टू सेंड अ स्ट्रांग T20 टीम फॉर वर्ल्ड कप. And now let's turn our attention to the मजेदार fantasy competition which is played out on सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी season 2 phase 2. Although आनंद बोलता रहता है कि उदय भान is winning, अभी भी वो लीडर बोर्ड पे 300 पॉइंट आगे है उससे.
Even though Uday Bhan sir has more trades left, what I've observed is trades are like basically useless in these last few matches.
And I still stand by my point that Uday has more subs than he needs right now. Okay, he is going to be left with a few subs.
4 matches के बाद those subs do not really matter, and you have enough subs to play with in the 4 matches.
So I'm telling you, the whole, as much as I was being negative, I think I had a great game today. But let me be honest, the 2x chip which is there is a complete game changer. For example, Ruturaj Gaikwad gives you 100 and he becomes man of the match. You're earning 800 points from one player, which is amazing, right? So I was I think my campaign ended at yesterday's 2x. Honestly, and I'm not mincing my words right now, because I scored like, I think I made 200 points lead on Uday Bhan. That's it.
So whom do you think will win the weekly?
Okay, if that 2x is happening, then I think Anmol can have a better chance at winning.
So Anmol and Yashwant, you might just win the weekly according to Priyanka. With the 2x factor.
All the best.
Now it's come to a point where I have good picks. I mean, I'm thinking right on the games front at least. But my captains, they just want to say that, okay, I don't want to give Yashwant points, so I'm not playing today. बाकी लोग कर लेंगे जो कर रहे हैं वो कर.
I was thinking, who is Uday Bhan or Anand going to take? I thought they will not take Akshar, they will take Bravo. I took Bravo. The minute I saw Uday Bhan does not have Bravo, I knew Bravo का भी कुछ पेट खराब हो जाएगा या फिर सडनली आ जाएगा और उसके ऊपर ऐसे मिट्टी गिर जाएगा. I can't tell you how pissed off. I'm lucky that WhatsApp was not working yesterday. I would have been ranting for like 2 hours. ये Bravo है किधर? It was as if some alien ship came and took Bravo away from Earth.
And now I'm just going to fight. I just have to play. I have to make things like Ishan Kishan captain, and I have to do these stunts now and pray to God कि Ishan Kishan आके मारो.
आनंद ने अभी बताया 2x उनका चला नहीं, पर 2x might be the thing that might make you the winner. I mean, I'm talking about Prateek, Anmol, one good game, that's a swing of easily 1500 points.
I made Nokia captain, he took just 1 wicket. I made Herschel captain, he goes wicketless. I got Bumrah captain, he goes wicketless. So, मतलब मेरे को ऐसा हो गया अभी कि जो भी परफॉर्म करने वाला प्लेयर है तो मेरे को पूछो कि इसको मैं लूं, तो अगर मतलब मैं बोल सकता हूं इसको एक काम कर, तू मतलब मैं लेता हूं, तेरे को नुकसान नहीं होगा. And I will make him captain, so will not perform. तो आज मैंने बुमराह को जिद में कैप्टन बनाया कि तू 2 मैच खराब डाल के दिखा मेरे को आज.
Like I was saying, Mandar, anything can happen in IPL.
चाहे वो वीकली कंपटीशन हो, चाहे वो फेज 2 का कंपटीशन हो, या चाहे वो सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी का टाइटल हो. We always say this and we will say this right now as well. Let the best खिलाड़ी win. Till we meet again, eat cricket, sleep cricket, and of course talk about cricket, because cricket is not just a game, it is the game.